Lane 1 and lane 2, please step down. Lane 2. Take your mark.
This heat 4 of women, 14D, girls 9 and over, 50-meter butterfly, showing in lane 1, Hilary Dato of Thundersh Arts Team Club, lane 2, Claire Joseph of the Lang Gators Team Club, lane 4, Julia Parte of Elizabeth Seaton Saints, lane 5, Ella Mercado of Manila Streamliners Team Team, and lane 6, Hannah Itera of PCX Teammates.
Results of the next 7th class lead boys, 14 years old, 200-meter freestyle. Third place, 2 minutes, 42.05 seconds. Casey Turingan of San Pedro Sweet Pea. Second place, 2 minutes, 30.90 seconds. Martin Gabriel Arconcel of AC Wolves. And first place, 2 minutes, 30.